In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to edit your product and category descriptions in the Mighty Merchant text editor. Mighty Merchant uses a text editor that includes many tools that allow you to upload, format, and position your content. In this tutorial, you will learn how to format text, apply styles, and add links to your text. We are going to log into our Only Natural Snacks demo website to show you how it's done. There are a few key points to keep in mind about your website's page layout and editing your pages. First, the text editor allows you to control the main blocks of text in the center of your website's pages. This is what we are focusing on in this tutorial. Next, the overall look and feel of your pages is controlled through the Mighty Merchant templating system. If you want to change the overall design of your site, you will not be able to accomplish that through the Site Manager and will want to discuss your changes with Hero Web Tech Support. Finally, using the editor allows you to format your pages without the need to know any HTML coding. The editor is not a full-blown page layout program. It is intended for basic formatting, alignment, and embedding of images, videos, and other files. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will be using a demo product from our example website. If you want to add an item, please navigate to the area in the Site Manager where you want the product to show. Click on the I Want To drop-down and then select Add Item. Next, paste your text. You could also type the text from scratch. Next, let's size our headings. First, highlight the heading you want to modify and then select the correct heading level from the paragraph menu. Next, we will create a bulleted list. Once again, simply highlight the text and select the bulleted list icon from the menu bar. Finally, let's add some custom text styles. Note that your site will only have custom styles that match your site if you've worked with Mighty Merchant staff to set up the style menu. To add a link, select the text you want to use for the link. For our example, we will select Contact Us. Then, click on the link button in the toolbar, then on the Insert Link option. On the next screen, enter the address you want the link to take people to in the URL field and then click Insert. Here are some simple tips to keep in mind when using the Mighty Merchant text editor. If you aren't sure what a button in the toolbar does, simply hover your cursor over it. A small tooltip will pop up that will tell you what the button is used for. If you find that the editing box is too small for a large piece of content you are working on, you can click on the Expand button to go into full screen mode. Clicking on the HTML button in the top left of the Mighty Merchant text editor will allow you to edit the HTML code of whatever is in the editor box. If you or a member of your staff is knowledgeable with HTML coding, you can make a number of specialized tweaks to the code here. However, if you are not very well versed in HTML, we advise that you do not use this option, as you could introduce formatting errors to the page. The Mighty Merchant text editor is a powerful and useful tool that can make formatting text and customizing your site content an efficient, simple process. If you have difficulty with any of the steps in the tutorial or have further questions, please contact us at webhelp@heroweb.com.